as far as the data is concerned, it is data planning through the data is something which is ingrained into the organization DNA, right from the top where the MD does it, and it follows down to the low entry level, where even sales officers are quite concerned about the kind of data which we are generating and how they are improving upon that. So I would say previously we were not able to track our secondary sales. The entire strategy, entire initiatives, entire reviews all of those were happening on the primary sales itself, which itself generally in every organization happens at the closing of the month. So for more than 60 to 70% of the month, we do not have any real-time data or any clue as to what's happening on the ground. So after coming off Bizom, the primary thing which happened was that we got the secondary sales visibility. So now we got it in real time, so we have entire idea every day, every minute of what orders are being generated, how much secondary sales is happening pan India, how much is happening, how much our SOs are performing, how many outlets we are serving, as well as which SKUs is sold in which outlet, and such kind of metrics that we are generating in which we are generating each day now. Initially, even our beat planning process, this was majorly trust based. Through the coming of Bizom, it has entered into a proper process-based and a proper real-time manner. What we were doing was we were targeting what is to be sold in the next month, which exact product is to be sold in next month and in every outlet. So we were doing it through pen and paper, and you can understand how much cumbersome that process might be. And due to its cumbersomeness, even the compliance will be lower. So Bizom has been instrumental in having us streamline their entire process. So each month, at the end, we are targeting which SKU will be selling in each outlet for the next month. So this is, and we have around say 7,000 to 8,000 outlets and around 400 to 500 SKUs. So you can even imagine the amount of cumbersomeness which has been reduced due to the coming of Bizom. So those are the two things which happened during our engagement with Bizom initially. A lot of data democratization has taken place. So as I said, we were not even aware of what is taking place on the ground. So one thing now, like we on the top management, we were not aware. So ASMs and SOs were, only the data was limited to them. Now it has been you can say, moving up to the top management also. Secondly, now we have entire idea of all the matrices which are happening on through use of matrices. We have all the idea which is happening in the ground level. Say the entire secondary sales which is taking place each day on the ground. Secondly, how much each SO is contributing to the sales, how much each zone is generating sales, secondary sales, how much how many outlets are we serving, how much and like how much is the revenue per outlet that we are generating. Now the entire incentives, schemes, reviews, everything is based on Bizom only, the data generated from Bizom. This is what is being used in our planning process now. So around 60 to 70% of primary sales happens at the end of the month, due to which in the entire month we have no clue of what course correction can we do without letting the entire month pass by and then making some reviews on the hindsight, and again same thing repeating month on month. So this is something which has changed after coming of Bizom, because now we have the sales which is happening on ground each day, each hour in fact. So and secondly, we have employed around say 80 to 100 sales people on ground. Now we did not have any idea how much secondary sales they are generating. So it's also from the people compliance point of view that secondary sales tracking is important. So I would say my association with Bizom has been very fruitful, and their customer service team has been especially proactive in resolving all the tech. You can understand the kind of tech savviness, the low level of tech savviness which might be there on ground, but due to the support of the Bizom's customer service team, it has been really implementable, and that too without any reworks.